Hi, Becca Anderson here once again on your screens, and we welcome you to your FredExcel video for today. In our video for today, we will be replying a question posed by one of our students who had wanted to know, for instance, in filling a tank in percentage, how that will reflect in graphics.
The question is, let's say you are filling the tank here, and you are filling it in percentage, but you want it to show the graphics by color. Okay. For the color to fill in the gap. Okay. So right now, my challenge is I've put in the formulas. The percentage is showing, but the color is not filling. So I want the color to follow the percentage. Okay.
So this is the solution I provided. The solution, I have a lot of solutions, but this is a simple solution I provide for the question. So the question, this challenge is that you want a situation where if you put here example, let's say 50%.
So that was the question, and I'm here to walk you through the solution provided by Fred. So with this, based on the question asked, we would like to add a visual representation which would show the gauge reading of the product in each of the tanks. So in this scenario, we are going to use data bars in conditional formatting. Now, mind you, data bars are actually a type of conditional formatting. They are more like a visual tool which serves as an in-cell chart. So from the Home tab in the Styles group, you click on this conditional formatting ribbon. Then from the drop-down icon here, you click on New Rule. Then from the pop-up here, you change your format style to data bar. Then next, you change your type to number. Then here, your minimum value is assumed to be 0% since you are dealing in percentages. Then you do same for the maximum values. You change the type to number, then the value to 100% since you are dealing in percentages. Now you can add more styles to your work. You can change your fill appearance to gradient fill. Now mind you that whatever adjustment you are making is showing at the preview here. So let's change our color to say orange. And here let's add some borders and let's just leave the border color to be black. You click on OK and you have your visual representation showing here. Now we can just use the format painter to introduce the formats in the remaining cells. So if let's say we only want the chart to show, still from your conditional formatting ribbon, you click on Manage Rules. Then from the Formatting Rules Manager pop-up here, you click on Edit Rule. Then here make sure you check the Show Bar Only icon here. You click on OK, Apply, then OK. So you can see here that it's showing charts only. But then if you'd like to know what's the actual percentage in the chart, all you need to do is to just reference that cell. So let's just rename this column as charts. And now let's create a new gauge reading column, which will show just the percentages of the product in each of the tanks. So all you need to do is to just press your equal to sign and reference the cell. You hit on enter, and in a split second, you have a percentages represented. So day in, day out, at a glance, you know the status of the products in each of the tanks. So if let's say the volume of gallons here now increases to 100, then you have the gauge reading and the charts automatically updating. So let's explore. So if let's say the volume of the product here is 150, then you have your gauge reading 100%, meaning that the 150 gallon tank is full. Let's change the volume of the product in the 200 gallon tank to say 100. You have your gauge reading 50% and your charts updating in that order. So this is how powerful conditional formatting is in your daily work. Oh la la, we do believe that our solution was of great help to you. Thank you for joining in and do practice along. Send in your questions at the comment section. Like and share this video. Get your friends on board to subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms. Don't forget to FredExcel on all platforms.